Good morning, Doug Levi here, Strategic Insurance Services. Another great day in Tampa Bay. Hope everybody's doing great out there. I wanted to share this morning something I came across recently for a friend that I thought was cool, and that has to do with creating lists on Facebook. And so here's what I thought was really cool about this. I'm going to kind of put up, and I also just figured out how to do this little highlighter thing. So, and you can Google this, and I just found, how do I use lists to organize my friends on Facebook? But I'm going to just show real basically here. So you go into Facebook, and when you go into that very first main page, okay, on that very first main page, if you look down here, you see it says Friends Lists, okay? So I click Friends Lists, and then you're going to see it already has some preset things. Now, I may have created one for church way back. I'm actually going to delete that for what it's worth. And it's just got acquaintances, close friends, etc. So I think Facebook just kind of throws people in. But what you can do is you can say, I want to create a list. And here could be the thought process with it. And here's what my friend who owns a really successful agency over in Jacksonville does with his sales team. Let's say, you've got and you're connected to centers of influence. So we always talk centers of influence are great contacts for us in the insurance business. It could be realtor, it could be mortgage broker, it could be title, it could be financial advisor, attorney, whatever. So what you would need to do is you would kind of need to think through who you're connected with on Facebook. And you can type them in and put them in a specific list. So for example, I know this, this person here is a realtor, right? I know this person here is a title agent. So now I can kind of create that, okay? And then I would click Create List. And now it's going to pull up just those people, okay? So at any point, I could go to my friends list, I could click on Centers of Influence, and now you have a way to interact with them, right? And so it looks like Debbie Deeb just posted, Happy Friday, Coastal Lovers. And I may just comment and say, Debbie Deeb, isn't it great living close to the water? Hope you're having a great Friday. Okay, so now I had a really easy way to just interact and engage with her. And if you think about this, if you don't create some sort of lists in Facebook, and again, this could apply for anything. I mean, again, the friends list, you could create college friends, you could create church, you could slice and dice however you want. But it's a way for you to have an easy spot to specifically connect with people that you want to connect with. Because otherwise what happens, your news feed is just totally determined by Facebook, right? And I don't know how all that occurs, whether it's who you're interacting with and how that's going, et cetera, et cetera. But I'm sure you guys probably know this, that if you don't do anything on that, it's all just determined by Facebook. So this is just a really cool, quick and easy way how you can kind of create a specific friends list, how you could really identify those targets and centers of influence that you have. And if we think and say and kind of come from the standpoint that, Facebook is just one place where people hang out. There's a ton of people, over 1 billion people on Facebook worldwide. And there's certainly a lot that just hang out on Facebook, and you want to be intentional with your relationship building and contacting people. It's a great way for you to do that. So I'd encourage you guys today, always my saying, what I encourage you is dream big and make it happen. That make it happen part is so big. We can dream all we want, but if we don't take action, and oftentimes massive action, it doesn't change, right? For things to change, you got to change. So I would encourage you guys, watch this video, check it out, and then go ahead and create a list on Facebook with centers of influence, and you've got a really cool way to stay in front of them. So hope you all have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.